Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in. Today's video is going to be a very special makeup routine video that I am actually doing simply to showcase how amazing this product is. This is a brand that I have been following very closely since its inception, not simply because of what the product does for us, especially brown, medium tan, dark skin girls, but also for what the brand truly stands for: inclusivity and representation. So without taking much time, I'm gonna go ahead and shoot this very special makeup routine. So guys, that was a quick makeup routine I did using the Live Tinted brand's Huestick, or otherwise called the Multistick, and the Unity Balm gloss. What I have used are basically two different types of products. The first one is a Huestick, otherwise also called the Multistick. It not only color corrects, but it can also be used as a lipstick or as a quick eyeshadow. So the two shades I bought are the shades True and the shade Rice. The True shade is what I am wearing on my lips. As you can see, it's a very nice nude shade. It's a dusty rose shade. It is also something I am wearing on my cheeks and over my eyes. The other shade is Rice, as I mentioned, and this is something I used to color correct. Guys, if you're my skin color and you need to correct your dark circles or hyperpigmentation, then Rice is the color that you need to go for. It has literally just erased all of my dark circles and my hyperpigmentation, especially around my lips. And if you notice, guys, I'm wearing a very nude shade on my lips, which is the Dusty Rose / True shade. And normally, because of my hyperpigmentation, I never am able to wear any kind of nude shades because it just highlights the darkness around my mouth. So this literally has erased all of that, and I am so happy with the result. True is like a deep brick shade, almost like a brick color, but it works perfectly to conceal dark circles and hyperpigmentation. And the second product is the Unity Balm Gloss. This is what it looks like. It comes in a tube, and I really like the tube. Like, the aluminum packing is so cool. Like, I really like it. It takes me back in time. I think it's a perfect thing to have for tube packing because you're able to like squeeze your way through it, and you can maximize the product inside of it because it's so easy to squeeze. And this is a very nice balmy texture. I'm going to show you what it looks like so that you understand the texture of the product. A little dab of it, and I'm just gonna rub it in, and you guys can see like so much of area is covered with that little dab. I waited to buy this product for so long, and the reason I waited is because, as I've mentioned before, I am on a new system, a more minimalistic lifestyle, wherein I do not buy a lot of products. I try to only replace. So I literally ran out of a shade of lipstick, actually a couple of shades of lipstick, and also I was running out on a nice lip balm. So I thought, okay, this is the perfect opportunity for me to go ahead and buy the product. And I have been waiting so long, you guys, so long to try them, and I really like the results. If you guys like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any comments, please feel free to comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.